So Bank of Tomorrow faced a major slowdown during their nightly transaction processing. So their joins were dragging for hours. Why? That's because of too much data shuffling. And then here comes the broadcast join. So broadcast join, it's another important topic in Spark and also asked in interviews. So let's understand this with an example. So let's first talk about definition. So broadcast join we can say is when Spark sends a tiny data frame to all nodes in your cluster. So every executor has it locally. So this removes the need to shuffle the big table, which is super costly. Okay, so coming to the example, so as we said, let's say we have a bank. Okay, they had a huge transaction. I mean, sorry, they had a huge data frame of millions of customer transactions. Let's say TXN. Then we have a tiny data frame with just currency conversion. Let's call it as currency. So instead of joining them the normal way, like df underscore transaction dot join df currency, when we use broadcast join, it's like df transaction dot join, then broadcast, then df currency. So boom, the execution time will definitely drop from like 3 hours to in minutes, right? So let's talk about the internal working. So Spark serializes the small data frame and send it to all the executors. So each node uses it locally for the join, no data shuffling needed. So it's like giving everyone a pocket dictionary instead of asking the library every time. So when to use? So use broadcast join when one table is really small, like under 100 MB. Okay, so don't use it with big tables, it will crash the executors or make things worse. So use it smartly. So next time your Spark job is choking, ask yourself, can I broadcast that little guy? So because sometimes tiny data saves big money. Yeah, so stay tuned for more such data engineering content. Thanks for watching.